Wakwere nitwa wachilie. Wakwere nitwa wakwere. En binyo to go jo mo gi ile machingi gi ken. Kilok mabede ki bot one paju.
The chief guest, none other than Salim Saleh, the commander of Wild Creation, our Honorable Minister, Honorable Member of Parliament. I was happy that the Greater North have selected the champion of the boxer to be a chairman. The Paramount chief, the local leaders. Should I wait for the chief guest to come? And honorable members, councillors from all the districts. May you rise up for the meeting. Our investors, can you rise up for recognition? Stand up, let people see you. Investors. Before your bureau. Thank you very much. As one of the leaders from the Greater North, I want to thank you very much for associating yourself with us. I was very happy that you decided to bring the service nearer to our people. This region historically suffered a lot. From 71 up to, I should say, 2006, and mainly because of the conflicts among ourselves. I want to thank the government of NRM for uniting us as the Greater North. First, for the unity, as we are united, what next? We are the most lagging behind economically. Acholi, Karamaja, and Western. As you bring investors closer to us, and you, as the commander of wealth creation for this country, you decided to be based here with us and showing that you have interest to develop this region is also by starting what you dreamt of in Kapeka, the product, you have brought it here to us, selling at the same cost like if someone buys from Kapeka industry. Thank you very much. What followed? You know, me and you were in different line. I don't know whether I command you because I'm the commander of the reserve force of this country.
You took over my job.
Sir, you know I'm a commercial farmer, and largely here people are doing farming. And you have been interesting me to go into industry. And I've been advocating that what can create jobs for our people. For example, in Kapeka now, they're employing 7,000 people. But if you have a similar industry in the north here, we can also, it will allow our youth and create employment to our people. It will be difficult, probably, that every district in Acholi to have industry. It may not be very easy. But recently when we were discussing the similar thing, you came out with a very brilliant idea, which I request our leaders to embrace this. That if we have a big industry set in a Aswa ranch, which raised in the middle of Acholi, South Pade, South Gulu City, South Gulu District, and also our neighbor in the north. Another thing, sir, my appeal to you, since you have invited our brothers from Karamoja, here in Gulu, the road, we have one road named Moroto Road, and that's what really used to connect us a lot. And to make these people get this product from Gulu here, to make it much cheaper for them, kindly, as a command of well creation, let this Moroto Road be tarmac from Gulu City up to Moroto. They will be the beneficiary of this railway because Moroto, they are mining. It will be cheaper for them to transport this end and connect by railway to other parts of the country. So Moroto Road is very, very important for us. And of course, diversification. Over-centralizing industry. I'm not being sectarian. That everything being in the central, not other part of the country, it really denies us a lot. So it is time that we should diversify. We have industry in the north, in the west, and other part of the country. I thank you very much. Keep with us. Don't get tired with us. We love you. Since also you are one of our own, our children, you are part of us. But of course, we are very annoying people. Because me and you know how many times we have quarreled. But we remain brothers. All the visitors, you are most welcome. Enjoy Gulu City. You are coming here, it has boosted our business, and also this beautiful, wonderful product to be sold from here is a big booster for Gulu City. Thank you very much.